He's 70 and lasted 3 hours straight. No pills, no injections, no surgery. Most people think aging means decline, low stamina, weak circulation, poor energy. But what if the real issue isn't age? What if it's blood flow, inflammation, and lifestyle? Today, I'm sharing a simple morning recipe that supports circulation, energy, and male vitality using 4 powerful ingredients you probably already have at home. This is NatureFuell Wellness. Stay with me. Why stamina declines after 50? After 50, testosterone slowly declines naturally. Blood vessels become less elastic, inflammation increases. Stamina and male vitality depend heavily on blood circulation. This recipe targets 3 core areas. 1. Circulation. 2. Inflammation. 3. Energy metabolism.
The ingredients and science. 1. Garlic. Garlic contains allicin. Allicin supports nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. Several studies show garlic improves endothelial function and reduces blood pressure. Better vessels, better flow. 2. Ginger. Ginger reduces oxidative stress and inflammation. It also improves circulation and supports testosterone levels in some studies. It's a metabolic booster and anti-inflammatory agent. 3. Lemon water. Lemon supports vascular health due to vitamin C and antioxidants. It also improves hydration, which directly affects blood volume and circulation. Morning hydration alone improves energy levels. 4. 1 teaspoon of coffee. Coffee contains caffeine. Caffeine increases alertness, improves blood flow temporarily, and enhances physical performance. The key is moderation. 1 teaspoon only, not excess. How to prepare it correctly? Here is the correct method. Ingredients: 1 cup warm water, juice of half a fresh lemon, 1 small clove garlic crushed, ½ teaspoon fresh grated ginger, 1 level teaspoon coffee. Steps: 1. Add lemon juice into warm water. 2. Add crushed garlic. 3. Add grated ginger. 4. Stir in coffee. Let sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Drink on an empty stomach in the morning. Use for 5 days per week. Rest 2 days. Consistency matters. Who should avoid this recipe? Avoid this recipe if you 1. Have active gastric ulcers, 2. Have severe acid reflux, 3. Are on blood thinners, 4. Have uncontrolled hypertension, 5. Are sensitive to caffeine. Always consult your doctor if you have chronic illness. Natural does not mean risk-free. What results to expect? This is not magic. It's metabolic support. Within 1 to 2 weeks, many people report improved morning energy, better stamina, improved circulation, increased alertness. Long-term benefits come from pairing this with strength training, walking, good sleep, and reduced sugar intake. Vitality is built, not bought. At 70, decline is optional. Your blood vessels don't know your age. Your mitochondria don't know your birth year. They respond to what you feed them. Try this safely. Be consistent and combine it with healthy living. If this helped you, like this video, share it with someone over 50, and subscribe. Comment "strong" if you're taking your health seriously this year. And subscribe to NatureFuell Wellness, where we restore vitality the natural way.